What year was that? It was
this? At least 2 years. Yeah, at least 2 years.
2 years ago. Fetz and I started off with this, and Martha helped me put the tables together. There's 3 8x4 tables here, and then first I had old Fetz up on there doing some of the stuff for me, and then after Fetz was gone, my Buzz came around, and oh my God!
And who's Buzzy?
Buzzy Shaver. Our Buzz. Right here's a young man. Anyway, he once we started, I had it. It was similar shaped, only I just had blocks with the train track up on it and coming around. And Buzz says to me, he says, "Oh man," he says, "it'd look a lot better if we just build a ramp like for it and stuff." And so we both came with this idea of getting this thin plywood and making walls and stuff. And then we decided on drywall spackling and mix some stone in it and make it look like it's a stone wall thing. So, and Buzzy, first thing he built me was that water tower over there, and then these bridges. He did the bridge there and the bridge here. We made this one. This bridge is modeled after the one in Pleasant Gap. And then that bridge over there. And then he made me this walkover to come from the station over to the tracks to pick a train, to get on the train or get off the train. And then we built this tunnel going through to get to the but before all that, we built that mountain.
Yeah, that was Rich and us
tunnel.
both. Rich and I both worked at that.
Yeah.
That was mainly his idea.
Yeah.
Yep.
And well, we added the lights. Buzz made these lights, and these lights.
They're all handmade.
Yep. We bought that tower light thing over there, and it was just a piece of junk. And Buzz, he took it and redone the lights and stuff on it, and I mean, it looks like the original thing. And what else did? Well, we put lights in all the houses.
Go.
This actually has a metal gear head and everything that actually works with the pipe. So I mean, it's something that, and I didn't actually have a lathe when I went to make it for the chain to roll on the spool. You may want to get a really close look at this, but you can see. I mean, I made it. It's all metal. It's not plastic like you always buy, you know, the plastic stuff. So it's. I try to make everything, you know, pretty close to
And then
original and making it work.
let me get by you. And you look, we added to go into the other room here. Look at this. Over here, you need to be by me here. And we got it tunneled over into the other room. We haven't got the face of the tunneling and stuff on it yet. But that's the last thing we did over here. First of all, we'll run a couple trains here. The one over there by the station, we'll get it moving around. It's going to be in a figure 8 come around. that one. Now here's this one out on the end here. Uh-oh.
Okay, this section of fencing that I made for Richard, from this point to this point, I had 15 hours alone in it. To give you some kind of an idea how long it really takes for the crafting. That barn, I know I had over 30 hours in it. I know that. So, but everything works. The doors, all the doors on it really work. They're on hinges, the small hinges that I made. The double doors in front also work. So I try to keep everything original to where it's got a loft inside the building here. I don't know, maybe Richard can light that up for you and let you see. You might be able to look inside the barn here. You might want to come over here a little bit closer and what it looks like inside. So, is that neat? That's really neat, isn't it?
There's the house lit up. Now watch the barn. Watch the barn.
Yeah, we really enjoyed that. The grist mill, I wanted to make that actually work then too. Some of the grist mills that I've sold already actually are turning in water. The wheel does turn in water. That's actually, I'm using a microwave turntable motor to make those work. So, and that's also being run by a turntable off of a microwave.
And then that set of swings and stuff up there, he made that too.
Oh, yeah?
And a sandbox.
So,
and then we made the mountain.
yeah, we both worked on that. Also made this here roundhouse then too. That was his project that he was working on, and then I helped him make the roof and the round part to it, and then we put our ideas together and got it made.
Yeah. And the turntable really turns. And then I'm gonna have a on that end over here is gonna be a yard. It's gonna
Where this
be a
hole
yard.
is.
Yeah, that I'm gonna put several other tracks in there and work it as a yard.
Now, can you run any of these right now?
Well, this one here will run, but I'm not really sure about whoop. You got a couple of things running.
There's also natural gas tanks over there that I made in this. Count up all my hours would be amazing. If we count them all up. That windmill is going to be getting in too. It's going to be on the back side of the barn, near the barn door. So I might have to come back over and do another one.
add to it.
I made Rich this gate, and it actually does work. It's on hinges, just like everything else that I make, and it's actually made just like a real fence gate. And then these doors actually do open. I gotta see here which way I gotta do it to get them open. There they are. They actually open. These doors here slide. Whoop, I got. Now if I can get that. Now Rich, if I can see. This right here, we gotta trim this down. It's stopping the other door from opening up. This piece on this side, the styrofoam, we have to cut that. Yeah, because it's stopping the other door. Yeah, it moves back and forth. That gives you an idea.